The Nazareno 2025 is still top on trend from today's story, with all the scenes of faith and devotion we've all witnessed since yesterday. Piles and thousands of devotees, as you have seen it, queued up for the so-called pahalik. Madami ang sumama sa prosesyon at sabi pa nga po sa news, there's this estimate of about 8 million devotees who joined. Madami po ang nagsimba, and I am a witness to it. Madami ang sumama sa traslasyon, at alam nyo naman po na sa pagsama dito sa traslasyon na ito, ang mga nagnanais mahawakan o madampo man lamang ang kanilang mga panyo sa andas ng Nazareno ay libo-libo ang nagnanais. Many wished to come to the Nazareno. And as they were coming near the Nazareno, all they have in their heart were their prayers. All were prayers for a miracle in their life, for consolation, and even for the blessings they would wish in their own lives. Today's gospel, my dear brothers and sisters, is a good inspiration to all of us. The man with leprosy fell prostrate in the presence of Jesus. He came to Jesus with that request for him to be clean and for him to live a normal life. At sa paglapit na iyon ng lalaking ito, nakamit niya ang kanyang gusto. Isang normal na buhay, isang buhay na masaya, isang buhay na ngayon ay malinis na sa kanyang dinadamdam. Ito pong pagsisimba natin, ito pong pagdadasal natin, ito pong pananampalataya natin, these are but expressions of us coming near the Lord. And as St. John said in our first reading, having Jesus in us, we all gain life. Pero bakit ho ba kayo nagsisimba araw-araw o kada linggo? Bakit ho ba kayo nagdadasal? Bakit pa din ho tayo nagtitiwala o nananampalataya sa mga bagay na pwedeng magpatay o magsira sa pananalig natin? Kasi alam natin yung lalapitan natin, sa Kanya lang tayo bubuti. Doon sa nalalapitan natin, doon lang tayo mapapanatag. Doon sa lalapitan natin, alam natin, dyan tayo magiging malinis. At sa lalapitan natin, alam natin na sa Kanya tayo mabubuhay. The man with leprosy may have carried with him not only his sickness, but all the negative energies he all embraced. Many hated him because of his sickness. Many rejected him. As I've said, all the negative energies. But he came to Jesus bearing those. But he left Jesus carrying with him the healing and the life he longed for. My dear brothers and sisters, we see ourselves in this man with leprosy. Lalapit tayo kay Jesus para uuwi tayong may lakas at may buhay na nais niya. Life may have challenged our faith. Our daily struggles may have weakened our faith. But do not let these things discourage you. Come to Jesus with all that you carry and go home carrying away with you blessings He wants for you.
Please stand.